Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. There's some sweets with cherries. They're delicious, super easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll make the batter. Let's add 400 grams of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now in another bowl, let's crack 3 eggs with 5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it all together till there's bubbles. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Mix it all together. Now let's combine the two mixtures. First mix it with the spoon. Then add 150 grams of soft butter. Now you can mix it with your hands. Now let's cut it in the piece of size you'll need and roll it out into a rectangle. On an edge, we'll add some cherries. I'm using frozen cherries that I defrosted before. You can also use fresh or jam. Now let's roll our batter with the cherries and cut it into 3 to 4 centimeters long. Now let's put them into parchment paper and in a baking sheet and send into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's all ready, let's plate them up and add some powdered sugar. They look delicious, they smell delicious, and taste even better. I hope you like this recipe because it's easy to make, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.